And again, wear a long sleeve shirt so you don't get that metal rash. Hi, and welcome back. Probably can't see it, but my mower's in here. Need to fix it. Tried to mow in some mud and it got stuck, and one of the turning levers popped and it's real loose, but it didn't mess up the transmission or anything. So I need to get that fixed. Y'all know maybe what's wrong with it, let me know. But that'll be in it for a little while. I think tonight we're gonna mess with the pan. Gonna drop the jack, take the bolt out, put the pan in, get everything lined back up, and see where we need to kind of move the flanges on the pan to in order to get to fit on the transmission tunnel and the firewall up here. But that's all I got planned for today. Hopefully we can get the brace level back out with the pan in it. And we need to check our measurement from the bottom of the dash to the top of the pan. Make sure it's 17 inches. If it's 17 inches, then we're good to go. But anyways, let's hop over there and get to work. Got these guys in here with me today. You see me looking down a lot. It's because they're trying to climb up my back. But there's my mower that I need to clean. And it's this one that's real, sitting real loose. I don't like this one. This one, you have to really push it. Now, this one was like that, and something popped in there. Now it's just loose. So if y'all worked on zero turns, kind of let me know what I'm about to get into with that. But today, we're gonna take this, drop this down, pull the bolt out, put the pan in, get it leveled back out, and kind of see where pan needs to go up against the transmission tunnel. Back here, gonna clean up, cut lines, and I may even try to trim this all the way down. Thinking about putting that in there. And so I got some kind of reference to go off of. Mark it, and then the flange only be that big. Anyways, and if we get all that squared away, then we'll start drilling, or not drilling, but popping some holes with our flange tool around the edge. And we need to notch that top corner out. And we need to find out where that bolt is exactly, and kind of cut around it. So we got some cutting to do tonight. So let's get you set up and we'll get started. we got the pan in. Here's the cats. Yeah, tech screwed in. It's still pretty level, except for that. There it goes. Well, it's kind of high right there. Got this notched out. That's pretty flush. Got the pan notched around that. This is really a better fit than the passenger side. Need to do a little hammering up here. So all along here, it's pretty neat to add one more tech screw right there. But we hit the brace on all these, luckily. But I think I'm gonna get the inner rocker and place it up here and see how that lines up when I get the kick panel too and put it up here as well. So let's go get those pieces right quick. Give you a one-word advice. Always wear long sleeves. You can see all that little black stuff. That's that pieces of metal embedded in my arm. Yeah, starting to itch really bad. It looks pretty good. It was level. I'm gonna drop this. See if that did anything to it. And it's more level now. Yeah, it's better. Still not 100% exactly level, but I think it's something that we could work with. It's still level from side to side, so I think we'll be all right. Kind of see an issue with the kick panel where these line up. I think this isn't exactly straight down, so this needs to come out a little bit. So I think when I took that off, the dash may pop back in a little bit. So we'll get that straightened out. You'll need to flatten this out and take all the rust from underneath. Of course, get this straightened out and ground down. But I think we're looking pretty good to put this in, maybe not next time, but the time after. And then we'll cut the inner rocker where we need to cut it at. Excuse me. Start getting that in there. So gotta make some holes for the brace to weld to. And got a lot of stitch weld in here. Need to clip that back part off a little bit. And then be ready for the kick panel to come in. And then this side should be good. I got a bunch of grinding to do on the welds. I'm gonna come back in there and make that look better. But yeah, anyways, it's going in good, and I'm pretty happy. Well, I think that'll do it for me today. Pretty much got the pan where it's gonna be. Just gonna put a few more tech screws around, take it all out, punch it around the flange, sand it down a little bit, around the edges again, just kind of scuff it up. Put another coat of weld through primer on everything, and then we'll put coat of weld through primer on the back of the pan. Then we'll be ready for welding. So next time, maybe kind of on a shorter side video where we're gonna, punch holes and paint. We may go ahead and cut the inner rocker, put tech screws in it, line it up where it's gonna be, tech screw it to the pan, and because we already need to build a piece back here to attach it to the tub back here. Do that, get that tacked or screwed in where it's gonna be. Then we'll put the kick panel on and try to line everything up before we start welding. So it may be a little while on the welding, because I know I didn't weld the pan in first and then do the inner rocker. I kind of had it all together, and we kind of just went back over it and make sure everything was right, and then we started welding the pan and then the inner rocker and then the kick panel. So we'll probably do that. I'll probably mess with the inner rocker next time, and if we have time, we'll mess with the kick panel. Put the kick panel up, putting a couple screws in it. That bracket needs to bend in or towards the back some. So we'll put the screws in it, mess with the kick panel, maybe tech screw it in where it needs to be, and may drill spot weld holes where it meets with the inner fender, or that area we put together. And then after that, we'll take it all back apart, paint everything, and then we'll all put it back for the final time and hopefully be welding. Maybe by the end of next week, we'll have this done. Just want to say thank you to all new subscribers. It does mean a lot that you chose to come on this journey with me. Like I said, I'm no mechanic. I'm no body man. I don't know how to do this stuff really. I'm just kind of stumbling my way through it. But we did get the passenger side floor, kick panel and rocker done. And we're working on the driver's side now. So hopefully we can get it together here pretty quick and move on to something else. I like to actually get into the frame and suspension stuff here pretty soon. But anyways, if you made it this far, thanks again for watching. It does mean a lot. It does help the channel out a lot too. If you're new, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Please like, comment, subscribe. And again, wear a long sleeve shirt so you don't get that metal rash. I put some duct tape on it and pulled metal out of it, so hopefully it'll calm down and won't itch so bad. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.